Please swipe up if you don't know F-150s. Otherwise, my story might bore you. In the vibrant month of my birthday in 2023, I finally turned a lifelong dream into reality. I became the proud owner of a 12th Gen Ford F-150 pickup. Ever since I first gripped a steering wheel, the allure of a pickup truck whispered to me, a distant dream that seemed almost unattainable. But dreams, with time and persistence, have a way of coming true. From the moment I got my F-150, it wasn't just about the drive, it was about the identity. While its roaring V8 engine had more power than I'd ever need, my true passion lay in its aesthetics. Bit by bit, accessory by accessory, I've been molding it, not just to stand out, but to tell a story. A story of dedication, of passion, of a young driver's dream realized. Every time I drive down the street, heads turn, eyes widen, and I can't help but smile. Not because of the attention, but because of the journey. The journey of a boy who once dreamt of a pickup, and the man who made it his own. I'll be sharing more of this journey, my story with my beloved F-150, in videos to come. For those of you with the same truck or the same dream, I hope my story inspires you. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey and the stories we craft along the way. Here's to many more miles, memories, and moments with my F-150.